Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon. This is a Clever Vans Vandeo Beach. It's based on the Citroen Space Tourer, and this thing here is going to cost €47,000. So, for €47,000, what do you get? Well, you get the Citroen Space Tourer, you get a Tourer awning, and that's a quality awning, and you get a tent in the roof. So, okay, well, so far so good. And as soon as you look inside, it's so far so bad. There's a tiny table in here. There are 3 chairs, 2 chairs up front, and well, what's in here, I'll have a quick look in the tent in the roof. There you go, there's your tent in the roof with a view, I might point out. There you go, a view up there. It appears to me that this is effectively a car. Well, it does have a bit of storage up there, as you can see. Well, maybe I'm being a bit unfair, because if we come right the way around to the back, we will see that it's got here something which you can make a bed out of. You could also get sort of there's kits which will go in the back here with slide outs, which could give you some camping potential. So effectively what this is, and this thing here doesn't work, that's closed, that's open, and that doesn't come out at all. Mind you, it's a Clever van, so that doesn't surprise me. Now the peculiar thing about this is, now, which I really want to make clear, is that last year Clever Vans came here with something called the Sunny, which it said cost €30,000, and lots of people believed it. This thing here cost 50% on top of that plus, and it hasn't got anywhere near the facilities of the alleged Sunny camper van. So we'll have a little bit of a walk around it. Now, of course, I'm not suggesting that there's anything wrong in buying a car you can sleep in, and but for 47,000, I do rather think that one could get a proper camping unit and not just a car with a tent in the roof. This one here is the Vandeo Beach in white, and this thing here costs 56,290. What it does have, and which the other one doesn't have, is some camping kit in the back. But as far as this part is concerned, it looks absolutely the same. But one of the advantages here is that we can see that the chair has come down. That's a demonstration. The chairs come down in cars, that's quite normal. And we've got the mattress up there, which will fold down, and the mattress is it's not too bad. Is probably more comfortable than a sleeping on the chairs. Now, the reason for the difference in price is back here, because what we've got here is more. That doesn't work. The fridge is in one of these. That doesn't work. Hey, this isn't very good. And that doesn't work. And that doesn't work. I did see somebody else actually pull the thing out just now. Anyway, okay, when it works, you've got a fridge in there, you've got a cooking in there, you've got your water in there, and you've got a bit of storage as well. That's what goes in the back. Okay, so it's a car. You can camp in. Let's have a look finally at this other one over here in black. And now this one here, we've got a price of €52,500, and we'll have a look at the back, see what the score is down here, and it's the same as the first one. So that's not going to get us anywhere at all. But it does have a tent in the roof.
Dankeschön erstmal.
So, would you want to spend all that money on something like this, or do you want to use it to get a proper van, maybe a second-hand one, a proper motorhome. I mean, for 50k even today, you can get a pretty nice used motorhome. But there is, of course, the event that you maybe need a car, maybe you've got a low garage, maybe you need it for the low profile of the vehicle. All of these things are possibilities. Let's see if we can find something which is a bit better though. So, sticking with a similar amount of money. Well, we've got here a Fiat Ducato. Of course, it's much longer, it's much higher, it might fit in your garage, it might fit in your underground parking, but as you can see, this thing here, Celebration on a Citroen, and that's 56,390. So this thing here, of course, comes with a shower, a toilet, a sink, a bed, a fridge that probably works. I'm not suggesting the other one, the fridge doesn't work, but I couldn't open it. You've got cooking, you don't have to go on the back, and you've got a sink, and you've got 100 litres of water to use. So it's quite high, well, compared to the other ones. So I think that this is a far better bet. That's just my opinion. Right, for the same amount of cash. And there you go, 62,000. Of course, this one doesn't have, this Celebration 6, that was 6 meters long. It doesn't have a tent in the roof, but it does have a proper bed at the back. And it has the storage. So the bed will actually go up, as you can see here. Right, and I've got a tour one here. This thing here is 540 centimeters in length, and this thing here, mind you, 57,200. It's a bit more money, but the footprint is shorter, and you've got the toilet, you've got the bed, you've got the cooking, you've got a shorter table, but the footprint isn't that much bigger. It's a bit bigger, but it's not that much bigger. So anyway, right, so I have given a very negative account of what I think of the Vandeo Beach car with a mattress in the back. And though, of course, as I say, I do appreciate it's horses for courses. Everybody might want something else, and if everybody wanted the same thing, then the manufacturers just have to make the same thing, wouldn't they? They wouldn't be going around making all sorts of stuff. So, what do you think? Do you think I'm right? Do you think I'm wrong? Put your opinion below. Thanks very much for watching. And this is me in Dusseldorf, and I'm now about to go to a press conference where I shall be asking about the Sunny at under 30,000 euros that they had here last year. Did they even produce two of them? Produced one because one was here, but did they even produce two? That is the question. And given the amount of publicity that was given to it. So, good. That's me in Dusseldorf signing out.